Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. I finally got me this Logitech G915 keyboard. Yeah, I've been eyeing this for a very long time. Finally it went on sale at a reasonable price that I thought, so I just went ahead and picked it up. I actually love Logitech products. I'm just gonna get that out of the way. I have lots of little Logitech products. I got one of their Pro keyboard that I still use to this day, and then also pretty much all the gaming mouse that they have. I've tried them all. Love them, love them. So this is probably one of the very few that I still don't own from them. And so today I just wanted to try this out because this thing looks sweet. Anyhow, let's unbox it, take a look at it. So yes, this is a wireless keyboard. Logitech, quote unquote, called Lightspeed. That's their wireless tech that they use. Oh, this keyboard is so slim. Look at this. I haven't even wrapped it yet and it looks so slim. This is the tactile version of this keyboard. Wow, this color actually looks really, really good in real life. I did not expect it to look this good. In the picture, it just didn't do it justice, to be honest with you. You have to kind of see this in person. This metallic is incredible. It's almost like a greenish kind of keyboard. This looks fantastic. Wow. What else is in the box here? Got ourselves USB-C cables. No, micro USB. Stickers. Then this is the important one right here. This is the wireless adapter. By the way, this thing can be used with the adapter, or you can do Bluetooth on it as well. So basically my use case would be I would hook this up to my Mac on Bluetooth, and then for my gaming PC over here, I would just hook this Lightspeed to it. And so yeah, I can switch, you know, Bluetooth to Lightspeed, and it'll be me controlling two machines. That's how it works right there. Let's look at the profile real quick. They are really, really proud of this profile. Super slim, and as you can see, the keycaps right there. Wow, that is like low profile keycaps. Love it. It's beautiful. All right, on the back here, you're gonna find one thing that's important, which is this right here. It makes it super portable right there. You got yourself, wow, they even label it, the legs, 4 or 8. You can do, I usually do 8. The micro USB port is right there, and you got your on and off switch right over here. Yeah, this thing feels solid and hefty, but it's not like super heavy, I would say. I have heavier keyboards. Okay, so now let's do the key test. Okay, so for tactile, it's actually pretty quiet. This is about as quiet as my red switch that I have on my other keyboard. So that's one thing that I was actually very concerned with. I didn't want the blue clicky keyboards. So when I saw tactile versus linear, I was going back and forth on it but then the tactile just cost way less. It was on sale. So that's why I picked this up. But you know what? I'm really satisfied with this. This tactile is really nice. It has like a little bump to it whenever you press it, so you feel like you're really working the keys. I think the linear would be way too mushy, I think. But now that I have this, I'm really glad I got it. Look at the switch in here. You know what? Let me just plug this in and then show you guys what the RGB looks like. Wait, maybe it has battery in here already. Let me check. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Okay, yeah, it does have batteries in it already. Oh wow, that is just beautiful. You know, this is definitely an upgrade to my Logitech Pro keyboard, for sure. This is beautiful. So let me just show you. It's kind of hard to see, but you see this, the scissor right here? Yeah, that's nice. Look how like thin this keycap is. Amazing. Can pop this thing open. So that's the keycap right there. See if I can show you here. Yeah, look how like tiny these little legs are. Look at this. So that's tactile brown right there. Usually whenever it's tactile, I believe the color is brown. I don't know why. They call them brown switches. This right here, super smooth. It's not like the scroll wheel on a mouse where it just continuously go, but it does stop when I let go. So it doesn't like keep scrolling, but it doesn't have any kind of clicky to it at all. Got yourself media keys right here, which is gonna be super important. By the way, these keys right here, the rubber feels really good. Really good. So I guess we got also some blinky lights over here. It doesn't detect any of the light speed stuff going there, so it's blinky there. Let me go ahead and put this keycap back. Yeah, it clicks in there really nicely, by the way. And then just like all the other Logitech keyboards that I own, this button right here, pretty much when you activate that, it's saying that you're in gaming mode, so it locks up a bunch of stuff like the window key that's kind of useless in games, all that good stuff. This light right here, there's 3 dimmable light setting, so when you press it, it turns off all the lights, so it saves battery. This one right here is the brightest that you see right now. And this keyboard is really bright, by the way. I have tons of lights that's like just lighting this place up, and you can still see this. So the one thing you're probably gonna notice is that the lighting doesn't leak that much through the gaps, so that literally all that you're seeing right now is just the numbers and the letters just lit up. Unlike some of the other keyboards, you know, where they try to make all the gaps and stuff like that light up. Very nice. Yeah, very thin. Okay, well, I'm gonna plug it in, play a couple of games just to test it out, and I'll let you guys know if I have any update on this. All right, that's it for me. Have a good one. Bye.